All right, so for this video, we're going to continue on looking at the VEX V5 system, and we're going to take a look specifically at the potentiometer and the bump switch. So go ahead, go to our devices. Remember, this one is a three wire device, so we're going to press this one with the asterisk and the triangle. All right, so just double checking, we have our bump switch, which is plugged into port D, and our limit switch, which is plugged into port C. All right, so as you can see for our bump switch, it is D. You press this one, it goes high, low. It says 1 for on, 2 for low, or I'm sorry, 0 for low. So this is an example of a digital sensor that we can use. And then same thing for our limit switch, which is C. It is, when you press it, I'm going to press it right now, and it's low. All right. And then also you can turn this into analog. So analog gives you a range of values. It's going from 9 to 5 for our bump switch, which is D. I know it's trying to detect signals in between, but for the most part, it does 9 or 5. So for the analog one too, you can also do it for the limit switch. So here's analog. It says 9 or 5, and it's trying to detect in between, but basically it's 9 or 5. So 9 is a high, and 5 is a low. So basically, you want to have these ones for digital sensors, not analog. They can't really detect ranges in between on or off. They can only really do on or off. It makes them better as digital sensors than anything.